What's up, my people? I am back again with another amazing and interesting video. Yes, what you're looking right now, what you're seeing now is meat pie. It is called meat pie and it is the Nigerian meat pie. If you want to know how I made this meat pie, if you want to know how I arrived at this meat pie, then please continue to watch to the end of this video. What's up, Cash Nations? Good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Your guy just woke up and today I'm going to be showing you guys my daily routine, like what I do in a day. Yes, it is morning now. What I do most times is just to open up my curtains, like to just see how outside look like. And the next thing I'm going to be doing is a cleanup because my room is so messy. As you guys can see, I'm going to be doing a cleanup. Yeah, as I do the cleanup, I'm going to say thank you to you guys. You guys are amazing. KASH ROX channel just got monetized, guys. We are monetized. I want to say thank you. I'm going to be doing an appreciation video soon. So this minute I'm heading to go wash my clothes. My hostel has this public washing machine that they kept for students to use, but it is not free. You have to pay before you use it to wash. So right now I've already putting my clothes inside and it has started washing, and the next thing I'm going to be doing is take care of my skin. Yes, you need to take care of your skin. You need to look good. So I'm kind of someone that has dark spots and I don't really like spots at all being on my face, but it's just that I can't help it. So right now I'm going to be using this on my face. It's a mold, like I'm going to be showing you guys how it looks like, but it's also a Chinese product because I'm in China and most of the things I'm using here are actually Chinese products. So I'm just going to go in and use that on my face, like wear it as a mask for some time. Yeah, I'm dancing because I just like having fun. I like having fun in everything I'm doing because I can't come and kill myself. This is the mold I'm talking about. In case you want to buy it or you like it, you can go and check for it. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is go for shopping. Yeah, I've already uploaded this video. You guys can check it on my last video or upload. So right now, guys, I learned how to do this. This is called KFC chicken. If you want me to show you how I arrived at this, please comment down below. I'll be showing you. So I have started learning how to do some bakings, how to bake chin chin, how to bake donuts, how to bake several things, and how to cook too. Like I'm using this period to just learn more things. So this is me cooking my stew, and I can do that KFC chicken too. In case you want to learn it, just let me know. So this is food time. I'm a foodie, so I like eating, but I just don't know where the food is entering. So right now, guys, we are going to enter the main thing that brought you here to watch. So this is making of the meat pie. First of all, you're going to have your flour. I'm actually learning how to make meat pie in this video. Like this was the first time someone came and taught me. So the first thing you're going to do is add your butter, which she's doing right now. I took my time to learn this because I just don't want to flop up next time that I'm going to be doing something of such. So the next thing you're going to do is to mix the butter and the flour together. Just mix it until everything gets smooth. What I'm telling you guys now is what I learned, and you guys need to follow up too. So you're going to keep mixing until everything is smooth. The next thing you're going to be doing is to break in your eggs in. This time around is mixing the flour, the butter and the eggs together. So you're going to keep doing this until you get a very thick mold, just like what you're seeing right now. Guys, I was at first thinking that baking meat pie is so difficult until today. So right now she has a milk inside, a baking powder, and also the sugar that is inside this milk, and then she's going to stir and then pour it inside. So keep mixing them together until you think that it's actually okay. You're going to see what she did in this video, because the water or the milk was kind of much. So the next thing she decided to do was to add more flour to it, so that she will arrive at that consistency that you need, that meat pie form or meat pie dough that is going to be used. So she keep molding. So this is it. This is what we arrived in, and the next thing is to cover up for some time. So now this is the meat time. Don't mind the fact that we are not using plenty meat, but this is what I just use it to learn. So you're going to chop your beef. I actually used this to learn, so we decided to use not much beef, and because getting beef here is kind of more expensive. And these are the vegetables. This is what we are going to use as the filler. We have the carrots, sweet potato or Irish potato, whatever you want to use. You just have to like chop or blend them together, add your meat, and then stir, because this is what you're going to be putting inside the dough. So the next thing is kneading the dough, which you already got, and this time around you're going to be getting that shape, that meat pie shape. And when you're done, you're just going to be filling the stuff you fried together, and this is how you just do it. You mold them together and give it that meat pie shape. Now don't forget to rub the body with egg when you're done, because that's what will give it that brownie color. So yeah, the next thing is to bake it. This is the oven we are using, and then the meat pie is already inside. So guys, now our meat pie is ready. So this is what we actually came out with. That is kind of meat pie we came out with, and I actually learned from it. I know the first day might not really be easy, but I know the next time I'm going to do it is going to be perfect. So what other things I used to do in a day is to shoot, because that is what I keep doing here. Because of this pandemic and everything that is going on, you can't just go out like anyhow, so you have to do some other things to keep yourself busy. So I do shoot videos, I shoot vlogs videos. This particular video is not on my channel. It's actually a collaboration with a friend of mine, a content creator, Being Real Judge. So you guys, if you have not seen Being Real Judge editing skills, please just go to my community box or community tab, whatever you want to call it. Go to that place. You're going to see a video or a post I created about him, and go and watch his video. So yeah, the next thing I always do in a day is to do my exercise. Guys, this girl wants to keep fit. I want to just keep fit. I want to look sexy, like always look sexy. So I do exercise in the evening. Most times I do dance. I know I've not shown you guys where I dance, but if you guys want to see that, just let me know. So yeah guys, this is the girl that has been talking since. My voice over is always a whack, okay? So this is the girl that has been talking since. And guys, don't mind my hair, don't mind how I look, because right now I just want to be real with you guys. So this brings me to the end of today's video. If you enjoyed it, please kindly subscribe. Like I said in the voiceover, don't forget to subscribe. It is free. Subscription is free. You don't pay anything when you subscribe. It is totally free. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, and if you have a community tab, please kindly share for me too, okay? Please share for me too. Thank you for being here, and thank you for watching. Hopefully get to see you guys in my next videos, which will be interesting videos and not vlog.